Hello, hi guys! Magandang hapon sa inyo lahat. This is Chin from Masgara Channel, a faith healer, also a tarot reader. So ngayong linggo tayo natin na nagsasabihin sa inyo ng ating mga gabay. This is a weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Leo. So Leo, welcome to my channel. Ano kayang messages, advices, na spirit guides ang ating masasaga for today's video? Kanino naman kayang energy or kaganapan sa buhay ng mga Leo ang ating mahagilap? So guys, this reading is a journey din lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos update. Sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na po subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time in every moment. So guys, kumapit-kapit ka dahil ito ang mensahe sa'yo ng ating mga gabay. Angel Spirit Messages, ano ang pinaka-message sa'yo ng ating gabay? Para sa mga kapatid nating Leo. There's a Five of Cups. There's a doubt or there's a regret or something na parang pinagsisisihan mo with your failures or disappointments, no? Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, let's see, what is additional messages? There is a Five of Cups. Mukhang may pinagsisisihan ka kasi nagtiwala ka. Kumbaga, there is a Five of Cups and of course, the Five of Swords. There is a self-sabotage or defeat, no? Kumbaga, pinagsisisihan mo or na-disappoint ka kasi nagtiwala ka. Kumbaga, yun pala, may masamang plano pala or may masamang balak pala against sa'yo or ginagamit ka lang pala. Diba? There is a self-sabotage eh. And of course, there is a Six of Swords. There's a transition. Kumbaga, yun, binago mo na yung strategy mo, binago mo na yung eksena mo. Kumbaga, ngayon, nagkakaroon ka na ng moving on from the pain and of course from the conflict and failures, no? Kumbaga, ngayon, dinistansya mo na yung sarili mo. So, let's see what is additional messages. There's a Seven of Swords. See? Nagkaroon talaga ng cheating and lying, deception and sneakiness, no? Kumbaga, nagkaroon talaga ng backfire or backstabbing. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na kailangan mag-take ka ng action to get out of that places or that situation. So, what is additional messages? And of course, there's a King of Swords. Maging wise ka na daw dito. Maging matalino and there's a mental clarity. Nagkaroon ka parang nawindang yung ano mo eh, no? Mukhang natauhang ka bigla eh, ganon. So, what is additional messages? There's an Eight of Pentacles. Focus upon to your perfect health. At the same time, sa trabaho, negosyo, hanap buhay mo, kailangan mo raw mag-focus dyan. And of course, napaka na high standard mo dapat sa any situation, no? Kumbaga, hindi mo dinadala yung stress mo sa bahay pagdating sa trabaho. O yung trabaho para pagdating sa bahay, ganun. Kumbaga, ano ka dito? Kumbaga, professional ka dito. So, what is the Five of Cups? And of course, the Strength card. There's Five of Cups and the Strength card represent ang strongest energy. Kumbaga, sinasabi sa inyo, there's a self-love, no? Kumbaga, ngayon parang minamahal mo na yung sarili mo. Kumbaga, dapat hindi ka basta-basta nagtitiwala agad-agad, no? There's a Five of Swords. What is the Five of Swords? Okay, there's a Nine of Pentacles. Being practicality. Kailangan maging practical ka dito. No? Madalas binubuli, niloloko, tinatraidor. And of course, there's a Nine of Wands. There's a perseverance, no? Pagtyagaan mo kasi at the end of the time, mananalo ka sa eksena. Kasi alam mo kung bakit, hindi naman ikaw magdadala ng eksena na yun eh. Kumbaga, there's a, mag-set ka ng boundaries and there's a final push. No, may mga kailangan mo lang gawin. What is the Seven of Swords? At least 3, di ba? Nakilatis at nalaman mo na yung mga taong trader sa paligid mo. And of course, there's a Four of Swords. There's a twin flame energy or there's celebration coming in. And of course, celebration like birthday or like tawag dito, kasal, binyag, or there's a Hermit card. May mga bagay na maglilinaw sa'yo, no? What is the Eight of Pentacles? And of course, there's an Eight of Swords. Universe now. Okay, thank you. Parang nakawala ka bigla sa bangungot ng kahapon. No, nakalaya ka eh. Kasi natauhan ka na, nalaman mo na yung mga bagay-bagay. Diba, nakapag-set ka na ng boundaries. At the same time, na-release mo na yung negativity. You are being survivor. No, what is the Five of Cups of the Strength card? And of course, there's a Seven of Wands. Protect your power, protect your energy. Protectionan mo yung grounds mo, yung sarili mo, no? Pangalagaan mo laban sa mga manggagancho, manggagamit, mga plastic, ganon. Kumbaga sinasabi dito, strongest energy. Kumbaga, pagtiyagaan mo at protectionan mo yung sarili mo. What is the Five of Swords and of course the Nine of Pentacles? Okay, the Knight of Cups. Sir, there's an offer, no? Kumbaga, there's an offer. There's a finances offer, a financial offer, or there's a love life offer, or romantic offer, no? Kumbaga may offer sa'yo dito, kaya kailangan maging practical ka na. What is the Six of Swords? There's a Two of Swords in reverse. And, time to make a move, no? Kailangan mo nang kumawala at kailangan mo nang makaalis. Ngayon parang nagkaroon ka ng awakening slot dito. At the same time, there's a King of Cups. There's a devoted and supportive person, no? Kumbaga, after mong niloko, no? There's an nung niloko ka, tinraidor ka, kumbaga, binigay mo lahat ng tiwala at pagmamahal mo, ngayon niloko ka. Kumbaga, there's a possibility na may taong darating bigla sa'yo. What is the King of Swords in the Hermit card? There's a page of, the Queen of Pentacles, Queen of Swords. There's an information na magdadala sa'yo ng independent and intelligent. No? Parang bigla ka natauhan at nalaman mo yung mga dapat mong gawin. No? Parang, fair, clear boundaries. Parang inano mo na sa sarili mo na, I need to do something. Protectionan yung sarili ko. At pahalagahan ko yung sarili ko. Ganun, parang nagkaroon ka ng logic no? What is the Eight of Pentacles and of course the Eight of Swords in reverse? So there's a Knight of Wands. Slow and steady. Sinasabi sa'yo dito na, kumbaga, kumbaga, ngayon parang, may something na parang, pinapatunayan mo sa kanya, nakalaya ko na gano'n, parang feeling mo, parang, kumbaga, revenge, gano'n, gumaganti ka na. Hindi sa ganti na, kumbaga, ang ganti mo is to become a successful, no? Parang sinasabi mo sa kanya, nakalaya na ako. Kumbaga, I focus, no? Sa sarili ko, gano'n. Parang gano'n ang eksena mo dito. So, what is the additional outcome? Outcome is the Ace of Cups. There's a new romance and new love life. And of course, the Nine of Pentacles brings you a blossoming abundance, the windfall, rewarding effort. And of course, there's a full card, Leap of Faith, no? Magtiwala ka sa process and progress, no? Dinala ka ni God dyan sa situation mo, hindi dahil para saktan ka, para ipakita sa'yo na mas maganda yung plano niya sa plano mo. Oh, pasabog. So, what is additional outcome? There's a star card, there's a wish fulfillment. Ngayon, unti-unti mo nang matutupad yung mga pangarap mo. And of course, it's time to heal. Diba? The temperance. There's a divine perfect time. And of course, there's a perfect timing. At the same time, there's a healing and miracle coming in. Ganon. Kumbaga sa dami mong pinagdaanan, ito na yung sampal ng katotohanan na sa'yo na, kailangan mo nang kumawala. Ganon. What is the love oracle card? And of course, there's unhealthy choices, no? Self-love, self-care, and being happier. Pak, diba? At the same time, there's a stab in the back, no? Talaga nagkaroon ng heartbreak, pain, separation, deception, and shocking attack. Parang binigla ka dito sa katotohanan. Pak, hindi ko deserve. Diba? Hindi ko deserve ng ganito. Pak, kumawala ka bigla. Dead ma. And of course, there's a balance and spiritual and practicality. Sinasabi sa'yo dito, maging balance daw yung spiritual and practical. Maging practical ka dito at the same time. Ma, kuha mo ako ng candle. Ubus na yung candle ko. Pasuyo ako ng candle.
Ano candle?
Yung maliit. Thank you. And of course, let's proceed sa ating angel spirit messages. And you are good enough, no? Kumbaga, sapat ka na daw dito, T. Diba? And of course, sinasabi dito, there's look at the bigger picture. Tingnan mo yung magandang kahihinatnan. Huwag mong tignan yung sakit ng pinagdadaanan. And of course, communication is the key. So, kailangan makipag-communicate ka at kailangan ilibang mo yung sarili mo, diba? And of course, kailangan i-enhance mo yung abilities and of course, yung skills mo. What is the energy? Energy is angels of love. Wow, there's a love. Dalawa. Okay. Thank you very much. Hindi lang tayo muna ng candle guys para at least pasabog tayo dito sa ating mga gabay. Thank you nga po pala sa walang sawa pagsuporta sa aking channel guys I love you. So what is additional messages? Okay, there's an angels of strength. So, madaming angels yan sumusubaybay sa'yo. Power ka dito, tiya. And of course, additional. And of course, there is some four chakra archangel Raphael for healing. Wow! So, nandito sa Archangel Raphael ay para pagalingin ka sa sugat ng kahapon. My goodness! Ang ganda. I appreciate, no? Parang ganon. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a blame, diba? Wala kang ibang sisisihin. Diba? Sa mga nangyari sa paligid mo. And there's a fear and death, no? Alisin mo na yung takot, no? Tapusin mo na yung takot. Tapusin mo na yung pangamba. There's a death and a fear. Pag pinagsama siya, parang kailangan mong patayin yung eksena ng takot mo at palitan mo ng conscious and awareness. So what is Archangel Michael messages? Self-respect. So meron talagang about sa sarili mo. No? And of course, sinasabi dito, pay attention to your dreams. So, ngayon sinasabi ni Archangel Michael, kailangan punuan mo yung sarili mo. And of course, sinasabi dito, the person you're asking is a trustworthy. Ibig sabihin, yung taong nakakausap mo ay yung tao mapagkakatiwalaan mo. So, what is additional Romance Angels messages? True love and honeymoon. Pasabog. May kasalan talaga dito guys, ha. And of course, sinasabi sa'yo dito, there's a honeymoon, and of course, there's a true love. This is love for a life. This is romance for a lifetime. At the same time, enjoy the bliss of holiday and time together. Pasabog. What is the chakra? What is the chakra? Isolation. Parang feeling mo ngayon parang hindi ka pa makaalis sa situation mo. You're feeling stuck. And of course, discovery. Ngayon, madidiscover mo na lahat ng bagay. Parang, yes, of course. Ganun talaga pag nakaranas ka ng pain or heartache, hindi naman agad yan nakakamove na parang pa isang pitik lang, okay ka na. No. There's a process and progress talaga. And of course, there's a book, no? Kumbaga, siguro, yung yugto na yun o yung chapter na yun pagdating sa inyong relationship is done. Or there's a new chapter and of course, a new horizon coming in for you. No? Basta yung sinasabi lang sa'yo dito na dapat may natutunan ka sa pahina na yon. No? At the same time, there's a sensitivity. Kailangan ngayon maging sensitive ka na. Hindi yung basta pahig ka na lang kung ano-ano, ganyan. No, kailangan maging aware ka na. Diba? So, what is additional messages? Additional messages. Okay, there's a school. Lessons. I told you. And of course, sinasabi dito, there's a stairs and of course, pass over loved ones, no? Kailangan, there's a support by ancestors. At the same time, there's a perfect timing talaga. Diba? So, what is angel's number? So, what is the angel's number? There's a 222. My goodness. I am a balance. Trust that the seeds of your thoughts are growing as you are nourishing them with words, feeling, and action. So, yung mga naiisip mo, kailangan magtika ng action dyan. Yung mga ini-imagine mo, yung mga bagay na, yung parang desires into reality. No? Gawin mo, isa katuparan mo yan. Yung mga pinangarap mo, ngayon, unti-unti mo na matutupad. So, let's see what is the messages of life. Wow, never alone. So, let's see. Jesus loving quotes. What is the Jesus loving quotes? Babasahin natin yan, ha? Kung ano yan. Pero unahin muna natin pala yung Jesus loving quotes. Jesus loving quotes, let's see. I am the good shepherd given his life for the sheep. Ibig sabihin dito, yung, kumbaga, ikaw ang sugo o ikaw yung instrumento ni God, no? Kumbaga, sinasabi sa'yo dito, yung mga bagay na ibinibigay niya sa'yo, yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo, no? Yan yung talagang kailangan mo sa buhay mo. Kumbaga, yung parang binibuild ka niya by lessons, by experiences, and of course, journey mo. Kumbaga, dyan ka niya kasi palalakasin, dyan sa eksena na yan. Kasi dyan ka mahina. Pansinin niyo guys, ha? kung saan kayo mahina, bakit kayo doon ginagawa ng eksena or doon kayo parang pinofocus. Kasi doon niya gusto kayo maging malakas. Minsan kahit sa eksena, 'di ba? Minsan sa schools din. 'Di ba? Minsan ayaw mong tawagin ka sa school or kapag dating ng recite, 'di ba? Kumbaga, sana hindi ako tawagin, sana hindi ako tawagin, pero bigla kang tinawag. 'Di ba ganon? Kumbaga, yun mismong takot mo ay dapat kailangan mong labanan. Yan ang ko sinasabi sa'yo dito, never alone. My God, bond with the God and the angels is a flame that illuminates my heart regardless of the darkness around me. This bond is foundation of my inner strength. It allows me to go on, having faith in all things social things, that all things will fall into divine order for my greatest benefit. I ask the universe for guide, knowing it I will always receive with its help and protections. Today, the sun will arise and shine from me. I am never alone. Alam mo, hindi ka nag-iisa. Di ba? Alam mo, kumbaga sinusubaybayan ka ni God. Alam mo, pinutulungan ka niya every step of the way. Alam mo, lahat ng mga pinagdadaanan mo, ililift up ka niya. Kumbaga, alam mo na hindi ka niya bibiguin sa mga, at hindi mo rin siya bibiguin sa mga hamon na binibigay niya sa'yo. So, ibig sabihin dito, nagkakaroon kayo ng give and take. At the same time, pinapabatid lang sa'yo ni God na kaya dapat kailangan mong labanan ang takot at pangamba mo, no? Maging matapang ka sa lahat ng hamon ng buhay mo. So ibig sabihin, proteksyon at pangalagaan mo yung sarili mo laban sa mga taong pilit kang sisirain at pilit ka pababagsakin at pilit ka sasaktan. Laban at proteksyon na yung sarili mo laban sa kanila. So this is a weekly gabay for the month of September 9 hanggang September 15 for the sign of Leo. So this reading sa journey lamang, hindi lahat makaka-resonate. Kunin lamang po makaka-relate sa inyo and comment down below kung kaninong energy ang ating nasagap. And of course, sa mga hindi pa po nakakapag-subscribe sa aking channel, please click nyo na subscribe button dyan sa baba for all bell para updated kayo sa mga videos na i-upload natin every time and every moment. Sa mga naka-relate guys, comment down below. Sa mga hindi pa nakaka-relate, please comment your full name, birthday, and of course, yung lugar kung asan kayo ngayon para masasusunod na mga reading natin, energy mo na ang mahagilap at masagap natin, no? Maraming salamat guys and see you in the next video. Bye-bye and babush!